Hello mga math-aaral! Welcome to my Taglish step-by-step math video tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss finding equation of a line given a slope and a point. To find the equation of a line given slope and a point on a line, use the point-slope form. Ito yung y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Yung m dito ay ang ating slope. Yung x and y are the two variables. At yung x sub 1 at y sub 1 ay siya yung ating point on the line. Let's have illustrative example number 1. Find the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b whose slope is positive 3 and a point 1, 4 on the line. So using the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1, i-substitute natin yung given slope at yung point. So, yung given natin sa problem ay ang slope or m is positive 3. And yung point natin na 1, 4 ay ito yung ating x sub 1 and ito yung ating y sub 1. So, x sub 1 is 1, y sub 1 is 4. So, i-substitute na natin itong tatlong to dun sa ating formula na y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, papalitan lamang natin yung y sub 1, yung m, at yung x sub 1. Therefore, kopyahin lang natin yung y minus. Y minus. Then, yung y sub 4 natin ay positive 4. Equals, yung m natin is positive 3. Then, times the quantity x minus, at yung x sub 1 natin ay positive 1. So, simplifying this, we need to multiply 3 sa x minus 1. So, kopyahin muna natin yung y minus 4 and then equal sign. So, multiplying 3 sa x, it is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Since yung problem natin, sabi niya, isulat daw natin yung equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b. So, yung y lang dapat yung andito sa ating left side. So, kailangan nating mailipat yung negative 4 sa kabilang side. So, pag nilipat natin yung negative 4 sa kabilang side, magiging positive 4. And then, y na lang yung natira dito sa left side. Then, just copy equals 3x minus 3. Simplifying negative 3 plus 4, it is equal to 1. And then, just copy y equals 3x. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals 3x plus 1. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Find the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b whose slope is negative 5 and a point 2, negative 3 on the line. So, using the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1, i-substitute lang natin yung given slope and yung ating point. So, yung slope natin or m is negative 5. And then, yung ating point which is 2, negative 3, yung 2 is our x sub 1. And yung negative 3 is our y sub 1. So, i-substitute na natin itong given natin dun sa ating formula. So, papalitan lamang natin yung y sub 1, yung m, at yung x sub 1. So, just copy y, then yung minus sign, and yung y sub 1 natin is negative 3. Equals, yung m natin is negative 5. Times the quantity x minus yung ating x sub 1 naman is positive 2. So, simplifying this, minus sign can be a negative sign. So, negative times negative is positive. So, ito ay magiging y plus 3 equals, i-multiply natin yung negative 5 dito sa x minus 2. So, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Ngayon, yung problem, sabi niya, isulat natin yung equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b. So, dapat dito sa ating left side ay y lamang. So, kailangan nating ilipat yung positive 3 sa kabilang side. So, pag nilipat natin yung positive 3, magiging negative 3. Then, ang natira na lang dito sa left side ay yung y. Then, just copy equals at yung ating negative 5x plus 10. Simplifying 10 minus 3, it is equal to positive 7. Then, just copy y equals negative 5x. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals negative 5x plus 7. Illustrative example number 3. Find the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals c, whose slope is negative 4 and a point negative 2 and negative 4 on the line. So, using now our point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1, i-substitute natin yung given slope at yung point. So, yung given slope natin sa problem ay negative 4. So, yung m natin is negative 4. At yung point natin is negative 2, negative 4. So, yung negative 2 ang ating x sub 1 at yung negative 4 yung ating y sub 1. So, i-substitute na natin itong tatlong to sa ating formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, papalitan lamang natin dito yung y sub 1, yung m, at yung x sub 1. So, just copy y minus, yung y sub 1 natin is negative 4. Then, copy equal sign, and yung m natin dito ay papalitan natin ng negative 4. Times the quantity x minus yung ating x sub 1 naman ay negative 2. Simplifying this, we have now, yung minus sign can be a negative sign. So, kailangan nating i-multiply yung negative sign natin sa negative 4 dahil hindi pwedeng may magkatabing symbol. So, negative times negative 4 is positive 4. So, magiging y plus 4. Then, copy equal sign. Then, copy negative 4. Ito din, kailangan nating i-multiply. Negative times negative is positive. Kaya, naging x plus 2. So, simplifying this, kailangan nating i-multiply yung negative 4 sa x plus 2. So, negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. Then, just copy y plus 4 at yung equal sign. So, since yung problem naman dito ay, sabi niya, isulat natin yung equation of the line gamit ang ax plus by equals c. So, yung ating ating ax plus by ay dapat andito sa ating left side. So, itong negative 4x ay kailangan nating ilipat sa left. At yung positive 4 ay kailangan mailipat sa right kasi siya yung ating isang c. So, pag nilipat natin yung negative 4 dito sa kabilang side, magiging positive 4x na siya. And then, just copy positive y. And then, lipat natin yung positive 4 sa kabilang side, magiging negative 4. So, simplifying this, we have now negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. Then, just copy 4x plus y. So, as you can see, it is now written in the form ax plus by equals c. Thus, the equation of the line is 4x plus y equals negative 12. Let's solve the last example. Find the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals c, whose slope is 1/2 and a point 2,6 on the line. So, using the point slope form, isubstitute lang natin yung given slope at yung point natin sa y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, yung given natin sa problem ay yung slope natin or m is 1/2. And then, yung x sub 1 natin is 2 at yung y sub 1 is 6. So, using the formula, ang palitan natin ay y sub 1, yung m at yung x sub 1. So, just copy y minus. Then, yung y sub 1 natin is positive 6. Equals, yung m naman natin is 1/2. Times the quantity x minus, yung x sub 1 natin ay 2. So, simplifying this, kailangan nating i-multiply yung 1/2 sa x minus 2. So, since may fraction tayo, to multiply fraction, i-multiply ang numerator by numerator, denominator times denominator. We all know that all numbers have a denominator of 1. So, x minus 2 over 1 ito. So, multiplying 1 times x minus 2, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So, x minus 2 pa rin siya. And then, yung denominator natin dito ay 1. So, 1 times 2 is 2. Then, just copy y minus 6. So, we have now y minus 6 equals x minus 2 over 2. So, since this is a rational equation, ang first step natin to solve for rational equation is to find the LCD. So, yung LCD natin dito ay 2 kasi siya lang naman yung ating denominator. So, pag may LCD na, i-multiply natin sa both side of the equation. So, yung 2 natin na LCD ay i-multiply ko sa y minus 6 at i-multiply ko din siya dito sa x minus 2 over 2. So, multiplying now, 2 times y is equal to 2y. Then, 2 times negative 6 is equal to negative 12. Then, equals 2 times x minus 2 over 2. Pwede na nating i-cancel out yung 2 na numerator, yung LCD natin dito, at yung ating denominator. So, ang natira na lamang ay x minus 2. So, since yung problem ay sabi niyang isulat natin yung equation into ax plus by equals c, kailangan din nating ilipat yung x dito sa kabilang side. So, yung positive x ay magiging negative x. Then, just copy positive 2y. Yung negative 12 ay kailangan din ilipat sa kabilang side. So, yung negative 12 ay naging positive 12. So, simplifying this, negative 2 plus 12 is equal to positive 10. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung ating ax ay negative. kailangan laging positive ang ating AX. So, para maging positive yung negative x, kailangan natin mag-multiply both sides ng negative 1. So, nag-multiply ako ng negative 1 dito sa negative x plus 2y at nag-multiply din ako sa 10 ng negative 1. So, multiplying now negative 1 times negative x, it is now positive x. Then, negative 1 times positive 2y is negative 2y. Then, 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. So, positive na ang ating ax. It is now written in the form ax plus by equals c. Thus, the equation of the line is x minus 2y equals negative 10. Thank you for watching mga mat-aaral. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Until next time, God bless!